Cruising can be such an amazing experience, especially when it comes to the food. But not everything at that buffet is as tasty or safe as it looks. Some options could upset your stomach, leave you bloated, or just plain ruin your day at sea. Believe it or not, there are foods that seasoned cruisers avoid like the plague. Today we're diving into 10 cruise buffet foods you might want to skip, and what to grab instead. Stick around until the end, because the bonus tip might just change how you cruise forever. Alright, let's get started. Scrambled eggs are a buffet staple, right? But on a cruise, they're suspicious. Most cruise scrambled eggs come from powdered mix. They're often watery, rubbery, or just taste off. Want real eggs? Head to the omelet station where they'll crack them fresh. Or skip the buffet entirely and get breakfast in the main dining room. Cruise buffet bacon is often a disappointment. It's thin, overcooked, and clumped into a greasy pile. Some say it tastes like cardboard with a salt chaser. Instead, look for carved ham at the carving station. Or again, order bacon in the main dining room. It's usually better quality. Sushi at sea can be sketchy. If it's been sitting out for too long, it's a no-go. Raw fish and warm temperatures do not mix. If you're craving sushi, grab it right when the buffet opens. Or better yet, get it at a specialty restaurant where freshness is guaranteed. Cruise ships use desalinized seawater. It's safe, but some cruisers report swelling in their legs and ankles. Is it the salt content? Hard to say. If you're sensitive, opt for bottled water instead. Most cruise lines sell bottled water packages or offer it in drink packages. That burger sitting under the heat lamp, it's been there too long. Often greasy, soggy, or dried out, it's not a great option. Instead, find the poolside grill or burger bar. Freshly made and way more appetizing. Everyone loves soft serve on a hot cruise day. But when the machine is messy and surrounded by sticky chaos, skip it. Too many hands, not enough cleaning. If possible, look for crew-served gelato or hard-scooped ice cream instead. Clean, safe, and way tastier. If there's a ketchup bottle sitting on your buffet table, don't trust it. How many people touched it before you? Exactly. Ask a crew member for individual packets or use a napkin to handle pump stations. And don't forget to wash your hands before eating. Spicy food on a cruise? Proceed with caution, especially the night before a port day. Cruise buffets sometimes include spicy beans, chilies, or curry dishes. Delicious? Maybe. Digestive nightmare at 6 a.m. on excursion day? Definitely. Go mild if you've got plans early the next morning. Save the spice for sea days when you're close to a private restroom. Your stomach and your excursion buddies will thank you. You'd think coffee would be reliable. But buffet coffee? Often thin, bland, or borderline dishwater. It's included, sure, but if you're a coffee lover, it might break your heart. The solution? Invest in a beverage package with specialty coffee. Or find the coffee bar on board and treat yourself to a real cappuccino. Better caffeine, better start to your day. It's colorful, it's fruity, it comes in a fun glass. But the drink of the day is often overpriced sugar water with barely any booze. It might look tropical, but the hangover is real. If you're going to indulge, get a cocktail you truly enjoy. Or ask the bartender to go light on the syrup and heavy on the flavor. Don't fall for the marketing trap. Some cruisers say to skip the buffet altogether. Too crowded, too many hands, and food sitting out for hours. Now, that might be extreme. But there's something to be said for heading to the dining room instead. There, meals are plated, served fresh, and often better in taste and quality. No sticky tongs, no waiting for someone to move. And if you're not in a rush, it's a more relaxing way to dine. Still want the casual vibe? Check out smaller restaurants on board that offer quick bites, without the buffet chaos. You don't need to swear off buffets forever, but being strategic about when and how you use them, that's a smart cruiser move. Cruising is about relaxing, indulging, and enjoying great food. But knowing what to skip at the buffet can save you from stomach aches, bad coffee, and sticky ice cream handles. If you're going on a cruise, there's one place you're guaranteed to visit. Not the spa, not the casino. I'm talking about the glorious, overflowing buffet. It's convenient, it's fast, it's where diets go to die. With dignity. But here's the thing. As wonderful as the cruise buffet can be, there are some easy-to-make mistakes that can ruin your experience, or someone else's. So today, we're covering 15 cruise buffet mistakes that every smart cruiser should avoid. plus a few etiquette reminders you wish other passengers knew. Let's dig in before the food gets cold. You just boarded. You're excited, hungry, and so is everyone else. That's why the buffet is packed tighter than a Black Friday sale at Costco. Families with luggage, long lines, no tables. But here's your pro move. Check if the main dining room is open. Many offer a quiet sit-down lunch with better food and no chaos. Or head to the pool grill or pizza station. Some ships even offer discounted specialty dining on day one, a little-known perk. Bottom line? Unless you love a crowd, skip the Embarkation buffet madness and explore your quieter options. Yes, it's all you can eat, but that doesn't mean it all has to be on one plate. Mac and cheese, fried chicken, pizza, shrimp cocktail, pork roast, a meatball, and that's just one spoonful. Take smaller portions, try a few bites, then go back for seconds or thirds without wasting food or feeling like you swallowed an anchor. Let's talk cleanliness. That hand sanitizer station? It's not decorative. Buffets mean shared tongs, shared spoons, and, unfortunately, shared germs. Always sanitize or wash your hands before diving in. Don't use your fingers. Don't double dip. And for heaven's sake, don't lick anything and put it back. Oh, and if you drop a roll on the sneeze guard, that's a sign. One of cruising's best-kept secrets? Each side of the buffet might be different. What looks like a mirror image setup might actually hide the stir-fry station of your dreams. Some ships offer sushi on one end and tacos on the other. Asian cuisine over here, roast beef carving station over there. So before you settle for mystery casserole, do a little buffet window shopping. If you have food allergies, listen up. Cruise lines are pretty good at helping out, but you've got to speak up. Let the line know before you sail. Talk to a manager, not just the buffet server with 6 trays and a ladle. Cross-contamination is real, especially with shared serving utensils. When in doubt, ask for a supervisor. They'd much rather help you early than call the ship doctor later. Yes, there's bacon. Yes, there's cake. But cruise buffets also have grilled veggies, sugar-free desserts, salads with more than just iceberg lettuce. You don't have to eat clean the whole trip. This is vacation after all. But if you're aiming to not need stretchy pants by day 5, balance is your friend. We all learned how to behave at Golden Corral. Let's not forget it on the high seas. Here's your refresher. Don't cut in line. Don't hover and hold up the station. Don't make life harder for the crew. And always, always, grab a clean plate for seconds, even if your old one isn't that dirty. This isn't a backyard BBQ. It's a shared space with 3,000 strangers. Oh, and try not to camp out at your table during peak lunch. If others are circling like seagulls looking for a spot, maybe wrap up the poker game. Buffets get busy, like line out the door busy. Want to avoid the crowd? Eat a little early or a little late. Lunch at 11:30? Peaceful. Lunch at noon? Utter madness. Dinner at 6:45? Lines. Dinner at 5:30 or 8 o'clock? Smooth sailing. You'll thank yourself for the quieter experience, and for not having to fight over the last breadstick. You're not in a rush. This isn't airport food between connections. Slow down. Chew. Breathe. Enjoy your meal. If you wolf down your meal in 7 minutes flat, you'll just end up with indigestion and a missed opportunity to people watch. Relax. You're on a cruise. I hate to be the fun police, but your wet swimsuit and no shirt look, not Buffett approved. Most cruise lines ask for a cover-up or t-shirt before entering. No shoes, no shirt, no shrimp. Also, no dripping through the buffet line like a soggy Labrador retriever. Dry off first, then dig in. Flip-flops are fine, but make sure everything that needs to be covered is covered. You just had a big lunch. You think, I'll skip dessert this time. But then you walk by the pastry station, and that tiny cheesecake calls your name like it knows your weaknesses. Remember, cruise calories don't count. That's not science, but it should be. If you see something that looks good, take it. The worst-case scenario, you don't finish it. The better-case scenario, you discover a chocolate mousse that changes your life. You pile up your plate, find the perfect table, and then realize your mouth is drier than a desert in August. Now you're stuck doing the buffet walk of shame, carrying your tray back through the crowd, looking for lemonade. Here's the fix. Always grab your drink before loading your plate. Water, iced tea, coffee, whatever keeps you hydrated and happy. A meal without a drink is like a cruise without a towel animal. Technically possible, but deeply disappointing. You want to go back for seconds, but you don't want to lose your spot. So you leave your purse, phone, sunglasses, tablet, novel, and bingo dauber on the table, like you're marking your territory. Here's the reality. Most people are lovely, but not everyone is honest, and buffets can be busy. If you're cruising solo, ask a crew member to watch your spot or take your valuables with you. If you're with someone, tag team your buffet run. Your phone doesn't need to save your seat. It's not a chihuahua at a Starbucks patio. You entered on one side, you explored the stations, and now you don't know how to get back to your table. It's not just you. Cruise ship buffets can feel like food labyrinths, especially after 3 trips to the carving station. Here's your solution. Take note of landmarks. Are you sitting near the soup bar, the ice cream machine, the guy who won't stop talking about how much shrimp he ate? Use your surroundings. And if you do get turned around, hey, maybe you'll find a new dessert section you missed the first time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And if you love cruising like I do, hit that subscribe button and come along for more tips and behind-the-scenes secrets. Until next time, bon voyage, and may your buffet plate always be full of winners, not regrets.